Hi everybody, I'm Mr. Devine. I'm here with a few of our Netzaberg students, and we would love to introduce Adobe Spark, especially video creating with Adobe Spark with you today. These students are all going to log in for the first time, and we'll show you how it works. So first, you want to be logged into ClassLink, just like Hallie is here, and you'll click on Edu Rostered Apps, and then you'll see Adobe Spark. You'll click on that, and the very first time it's going to ask you for your Google username and password. You're going to put those in and then click Save. Go for it. Click on Edu Rostered Apps.
Okay.
Adobe Spark, that very first one.
Oh.
And then you'll log in with your school Google username and password. Alright, when you're all done logging in, some stuff will start to pop up. And you'll click again where it says Continue with Google. Nice. So remember, after you sign in, you're going to click on the plus symbol up in the top corner. And to make a video, we'll go down to Video. Nice. And after you're logged in, you can click on the little plus symbol up in the corner. And then try video. There are other cool things you can do with this other than video, but video is one of the coolest things you can do. For now, we're going to skip where it says start from a template, and there's another little button that says start from scratch. We're going to start from scratch. And this is where we can start creating. So Hallie, go ahead and put in some text or a photo for that very first slide. You can choose from the options on the side. You can upload a photo from your computer, or you can find free photos. You can add text, and when you want a new slide, just click on the plus slide button, and now you have another one. But you can add in a photo and find free photos.
Oh, I added one.
Nice photo. Excellent. You can add another tab, and you can change the design of the tab. Over here you can decide what kind of layout you want. Try the split screen one. And then on one side you can have some text or a photo, and the other side you can have something else.
Yeah.
And now here's a fun thing we're going to try. You might have noticed a little microphone down there. You can click and hold the microphone to record your voice. The first time you do it, you're going to have to allow it to use your microphone, but then click and hold and say something.
Hi, I'm Hallie.
And when you let go, it stops. You can push the little play button to see what it sounds like.
Hi, I'm Hallie.
And if you liked it, great. You can go on to the next slide and record the next slide audio. If you didn't like it, you can push the record button again, and it'll replace the recording with something else.
Hello.
So Declan, looks like you found the music options. You click on at the top here. There are a few options. There's layout, theme,
so you can click
music,
on music,
and you can choose one of the music. The music will play in the background of your whole video. It'll get quieter when you have your voice recording, and it'll get louder when there's no voice recording. You can also change the theme. Go ahead and click on theme.
Okay.
And there are a few choices for you. You can choose different colors. You can scroll down and choose different kinds of options for the theme. Try one and see what it looks like.
I'll do focus.
Click it. And now you can click on preview to see how it looks so far.
Where is that?
Right at the top. Creepy. That's a creepy kind of noise.
Yeah, I just clicked on horror movie soundtrack.
Nice. So try doing some voice recording.
Okay.
So click on the X to close that.
I'm
And
gonna
then
change the music.
Click and hold the microphone to record your voice. Hallie, can you click on preview so we can see what you made? At the very... To make a video,
Hi,
go
I'm
down
Hallie.
to-
And my favorite
Try
animal
one.
is cat. Yay.
Very brief video, but you see how it works. You can make some cool videos using Adobe Spark. When you're all done, you can share it by clicking the share button or download it. And you're downloading a movie version that you can share on Google Drive, on YouTube. You can send it to people, and you've got a cool little video that you made with Adobe Spark. When you're all done and you're ready to download, I want to show you something real quick. Declan's going to click on the download button up at the top, and this needs to stay open. You can't click on download and then close your laptop and go do something else. When you click on download or share, right now it's putting that whole video together. So whether you have 5 slides or 25 slides, it needs some time to put it all together. So you don't want to close your laptop while this is happening. Give it some time. So now, that just completed, and a little download thing popped up. And you can give it a name and save it. And now you can open up your download. Let's see what it looks like.
Made by Declan. Here, this kitty has skills because he is climbing the fence. These are majestic, beautiful.
Yeah.
This sloth is very sad and tired because he's slow.
5 slides or 25 slides.
This sloth has been chillaxing Jackson.
The end. Nice. All right.
This is fun.
So, thanks everybody for giving this a try. What did you think about using Adobe Spark to create videos?
It was fun. I liked it.
Was this hard to learn how to do?
Not at all. It was pretty easy.
Not really. Not one bit.
It's the most easiest way to make videos to me.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's easy to make videos, but it's not that easy to get on. Not
Do you-
that easy to get on.
No, the hardest part is getting started? Okay. Do you hope your teachers use this in their classes sometime?
Yes.
Can you think of any way a teacher might want to use this in class? Like what kind of videos could you be making in class?
They've been making a video on how to teach a lesson or something.
Maybe
They
like
could
morning
also,
intro videos to play
like a
during
map,
when
like a
people-
Well, thank you everybody for your help. And we're going to get this video out there and see if people like using Adobe Spark Video.
Bye.
Hey everybody, it's Anthony Devine here. I've got a room with some students and they just helped me create a video on how to use Adobe Spark. And I wanted to have this added onto that video so you can see the screens a little better. Adobe Spark is a cool tool for creating very simple videos. And the way to get started now is you'll get into ClassLink. Students can get into ClassLink and they'll click on their Edu rostered apps. And now Adobe Spark is there. And when they click on this, they will be asked to put in their school username and password for Google, their Google username and password. I've already entered that information, so it saved it from last time. However, they're going to need to put that in, that whole thing, their username at student.dodea.edu. Whenever they have the option, they'll sign in using Google for this. And I made a couple videos earlier. Creating videos with Adobe Spark is really fun and easy, especially for students. They can create a few different kinds of things. If they click on the plus symbol, they can make a social media type post. They can make posters and other cool things, a flyer. But for this, I really love their video feature. So to create a video, they log in with Google, click on the plus symbol, and click on video. And right away, some options, some guided options show up. You can skip those, start from scratch, and it'll give you just a blank slate to work with. Okay, after this blank slate loads, you can see you can choose the kind of layout you want on a slide. You can choose if you want one that has like this little caption feature. Do you want like a title and text feature? We'll start with full screen, and you can click on the plus symbol in the middle and put like an icon for like, let's see what they have for hello as far as icons are concerned. I searched, and how about that? I'll use this one. A nice little hello icon. And I want to add another slide now. So let's call this one, let's put a photo in, and I'll search for technology. I'm finding free photos. Let me go back so you can see how I got there. So I'm adding a photo. And when that first happens, you'll have all these options. I suggest try the free photos. And I'm going to search technology. There are lots of free photos within Adobe Spark to use. And let's try this one. It inserts it for you. So you can kind of get the idea. I could keep adding slides if I wanted to. This is the part that makes it so cool. You'll notice that it has this little microphone at the bottom. When I click and hold that microphone, I can record my voice. I can go slide by slide as a student. So it really breaks it up nicely for students. So I'm going to click and hold. And you'll notice the first time it's just started recording, it started counting. The first time you do this on your devices and when students do it, a little pop-up will happen that says, are we allowed to use your microphone? And you can play back to make sure that it sounded good. So I'm not sure if you hear it on my recording, but I could hear it play back. And let's say I didn't like it. Fine, just record again. Hi, my name is Mr. Devine. And then I let go. And now you can see the recording is just 2 seconds long. And then I can go on to the next slide and record something for this slide. I'm going to talk to you all today about this cool technology tool for helping to create videos. It's going to be so much fun, and I'm so excited to do this, and it's going to be the greatest video ever. All right, so I went a little long that time, and you notice it said, hey, keep it short. With this kind of tool, you want to keep it to less than 10 seconds of audio per slide. If you need more audio than that, add another slide to add more audio. You can also delete extra slides. You can also click on these 3 dots and duplicate an old slide if you wanted to keep using that same picture but have different audio. Check out this audio I'm adding right here and let go. You want to keep it to about 20 slides or less, so this is better for short videos. But let's say you want to put some finishing touches on this. Let's go to theme. Right now it's on the default theme. You can change that to something else. And now the theme changes. You'll notice some of these colors changed. When I hit the preview, you can see a different option. And you see those transitions that happen? That's all added in by Adobe Spark automatically. It's really cool. You can change the color if you want a little bit. All right, you can also resize it. You can have it be a square video if you're making something for Instagram, or widescreen if you're making something for just a regular screen. You can also change the background music. They have lots of different types of music to choose from. It's a very simple tool. And let's say you're all done. You're ready to share this thing. You want to give it to your teacher. They can click on the share button. They can publish a link. You can send it to Google Drive, or you can invite other people. I suggest you use one of these two, publish or send to Google Drive. That's definitely what you want to do. You can give it a title, call it educational, and create a link. And that'll give you a link you can share so other people can see it. You can also download it so that you can upload to YouTube or other places, upload it to Google Drive, but there's that Google Drive feature. One thing I'll share with you is when you click share to create the link or you click download, you want to leave this pop-up open. You want to let it do its work. You can see the progress bar working along the top. For a short video, this won't take very long. For long videos, it will take a while. So you're going to let this do its thing, let it think, let it think, let it think. Okay, and a pop-up came up. I can save the file, give it a file name. I'm on a regular computer here. And then I can upload it and share it somewhere else. I'm going to cancel that. Again, with share, it does the same thing. I'm going to publish a link. I'll call this educational. And I can decide not to have it featured anywhere. I'm going to keep my name on there, click create link, and it does the same thing where it takes a while in order for the link to get generated because it's piecing together the whole video. It's like creating a published copy. Just because you're creating this published copy, that doesn't mean you can't make changes anymore. You can go back and make changes. You would just have to hit share again and publish again. It doesn't automatically carry over. All right, and that's it. Now that you've created the published link, you can copy that link and share it in a few different places. And let's open a new tab. We'll paste that link and go there. And oh, they're still preparing the video. But once it's ready, you'll be able to come here and play the video like as if it was a YouTube video or something like that. All right. Thanks for watching. The students found it pretty easy. I hope you find this as a cool option for students to create very short videos. They can, like I said, upload these to YouTube. They can upload these to Seesaw. Thanks for watching.